Good morning, students. I am Reddy sir. Today we are going to be discussing Odisha JEE Mains 2012 question from the chapter Electrostatics from the concept of capacitors. Do or die, but do before you die. Look, the potential difference between A and B is they given the circuit diagram between A and B. We have to find the potential difference. For this, first of all, I am redrawing the circuit diagram. First, 16 volts as it is, and I am placing like this, same as it is, 6 volts, and then capacitor BA, 2 microfarads, and then capacitor 3 microfarads. But if the two, we know that if the two capacitors are connected like this, V1, two voltage source are connected like this, then V equals to V1 plus V2. If the sources are connected in reverse, if the sources are connected in reverse like this, then V1 V2 means V equals to V1 minus V2. Right or wrong? Here also they are connected in the reverse way. So V equals to 16 minus 6. How much? 10 volts. V equals to 10 volts. And if the two capacitors are connected in series, if the two capacitors C1, C2 are connected in series, then 1 by C effective equals to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. 1 by C effective equals to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. Now here the two capacitors 2 microfarads and 3 microfarads are connected in series. Then effective capacitance 1 by C effective equals to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, that equals to how much? 6. That means 3 plus 2, that equals to 5 by 6. If 1 by C effective is 5 by 6, that implies C effective is how much? C effective is 6 by 5 microfarads. Now how much the charge? Then how much charge is flowing? Now look the circuit diagram. We are remaking the circuit diagram. Here is what is how much voltage we are getting? 10 volts. 10 volts is like this, 10 volts, and the effective capacitance we have got is how much? 6 by 5 microfarads. Here the charge Q is flowing, right or wrong? Now charge Q is equal to CV. C is how much? 6 by 5. C is 6 by 5 micro, and voltage is how much? 10 volts. 5 ones, 5 twos. 6 into 2, 12 microcoulombs. Charge we get 12 microcoulombs. What we have to find? Between A and B, we have to find the voltage. Voltage V is equal to Q by C. How much charge? Charge is 12 microcoulombs is flowing, and the capacitance is how much? Between A and B, how much? 2 microfarads. 2 micro gets cancelled. 2 ones, 2, 6. That equals to 6 volts. 6 volts. But this is 6 volts is from B to A, right or wrong? 6 volts from B to A. They asked the question is, we have to find the potential difference from A to B. That means we can get as minus 6 volts, right? B to A is 6 volts, but they asked A to B. That means minus 6 volts. Thank you.